Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Razr 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on this device. First thing, to open the control panel. Here you need to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. I have no SIM card, so I can't enable mobile data. It will work without mobile data, but you need to enable your location services. If you can't see location services on your control panel, you need to click on pencil button and find it here. So as you can see, I have enabled location services, but if you have disabled, you can drag it up and enable or disable location services. Okay, so now you need to find newbie share, find it and click on it. And as you can see, here I have popped up message. Click add or verify if you have a similar message. Then choose device name. Here you can change your device name. You can change device visibility. For example, you can be hidden from others, or you can be visible for contacts only, and you can be visible for everyone. I suggest to use everyone mode if you want to. Receive files from unknown person, and great. Here you can change your device usage, data usage mode. It can be without internet only, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi only, or mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So I suggest to use this mode because it's faster. And great, now you can share and receive data using newbie share. So if you want to share any image, any file via newbie share, just open this file or photo or anything else. Click share and find here newbie share. Click turn on, and here you will see all available newbie share devices who's visible for you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.